Welcome everyone. Question on atomic structure. 14 silicon, 30, 15 phosphorus, 31, 16 sulfur, 32. These are choices are A. Isotopes, B. Isobars, C. Isotones, D. Nuclear isomers. Answer is C. Isotones. All these three atoms have different atomic numbers which are 14, 15 and 16. These three atoms have different mass numbers which are 30, 31 and 32. But all these three atoms have the same number of neutrons which is 16. So they are isotones. Isotones are atoms of different elements that have different atomic numbers and different mass numbers but have the same number of neutrons. Thank you for watching this video.